Hey guys, it's Mrs. Cutting here again. This is part 2 of the lesson 7 video. So where we left off in part 1, we had just finished section 7.2, so now we're going to start on section 7.3, art paste on a double number line. Okay, a recipe for art paste says for every 2 pints of water, mix in 8 cups of flour. And then it gives us directions for how to draw a double number line, and then a couple of questions that we're going to use our double number line to answer. Alright, well where we're going to write this in our workbook is, I'm going to cover it up because I already wrote mine, up here on number 6, this is page 41, we're going to draw the double number line up there, that's why we skipped number 6. So with your talking partner, you're going to pause and do all of section 7.3, numbers 1 through 3, and then come back when you're ready. Okay, so this is my double number line. Yours should look very similar. Couple of things that we need to make sure that we did. That your tick marks are evenly spaced out, and that the top and bottom match up. Okay, so the pints of water are going up by 2s, the cups of flour are going up by 8s. And then you're comparing your double number line with your partners, discussing your thinking, revising. You're also comparing it with me, revising if you need to. So then, for number 3, we're using the double number line to answer these questions. How much flour should be used with 10 pints of water? Well, now that I have my double number line with all this information on it, I just need to find 10 pints of water. And it is 40 cups of flour. How much water should be used with 24 cups of flour? So I'm going to find 24 on my flour line, circle it, and it is 6 pints and then how much flour per pint of water does this recipe use? Okay, so this is going up by 2s, this is going up by 8s. This word per means I want to know how much flour for 1 pint of water. So if it is 8 cups for 2 pints, I can just do 8 divided by 2, which is 4. That one I could have done in my head without dividing. Just take half of this and half of this to get down to 1. That's okay. So this is 4 cups of flour per pint of water. So I want you, even if you had this answer right, to write down that per pint means how much flour for 1 pint, and then this is 4 cups of flour per pint of water. Okay, so just a couple more things to go over. So I know I already said this, but I'm saying it one more time just because it's important. So all of these spaces need to be equal. That's why we use the ruler today. The tick marks on the top and bottom need to match up. And then we're also going to go back to this number 6 that I skipped. Why is it useful to know how much yellow water should be used with 1 milliliter of blue water? So that's talking about this thing here. Once we know how much yellow goes with 1 milliliter of blue water, then we have enough information to find how much yellow goes with any amount of blue water. So I could extend out my double number line forever. Let's say I wanted to know how much yellow water goes with like 45 milliliters of blue water. Well, if I know that for 1 milliliter it's 3 milliliters of yellow water, then I can just do 45 times 3 to tell me how much yellow water it is. Okay, so that is the end of this video. You have one more video that goes with this lesson. I will see you next time.